Good morning. My team is composed for Sergio Alejandro Parra and Xiomara Sarmiento. Our project is about on the biodegradable core-based packaging. The purpose of the product is the substitution of petroleum-based plastic, which is generating great ecological damage. Cornstarch plastic. The cornstarch that is derived from the core grain. Starch is a natural organic polymer of glucose and used in food preparation. Polymers that are made from alkenes that are metals. This means then is solely biodegradable and can therefore be used as an eco-friendly alternative to petrochemical-based plastics.
Plastic processing. These are the steps that are involved in the process. Core is harvested and the crop is salted and ground in order to separate the endosperm from fiber and the gluten. The core kernels immersed in a solution of hot water and sulfur dioxide, where the components break down to starch, protein, and fiber. It is a centrifuge to remove the core oil, and almost pure starch is what is left behind. Enzymes are the starch's endosperm, which converts the endosperm into the straws as simple sugar. Bacterial cultures are added, which causes the sugar to ferment and turn into lactic acid.
This is what the resin looks like before it is made into food and chips. The resin then goes into dryers units to take out the moisture before the resin is sent to the extrusion process. Once the core resin is in the drying unit, the moisture is completely removed. It is time for the extrusion process, where it is heated. What is this above? This is the result of the core resin beef. Through the extrusion process, using the combinations of heat and pressures, it is then forced upwards using air through a die to form the bubble.
After the bottle is collapsed, the product goes through a series of rollers to help from the final product, his freeze fill. Finally, using aluminum board, a thermoforming strip is placed to generate the container to with a temperature of the 170 degrees. The softening is done so that the material stretches and adapts to the surface of the mold. When the base cool, it is straight. The excess material is strained, a finished piece is obtained. At the end, you have a plastic product for different utensils.
Benefits of cornstarch packaging. Renewable. Cornstarch comes from corn, which is a renewable resource. Biodegradable, compostable, and industrial composting facilities and then reintegrate as an agricultural fertilizer. No toxic. Does not contain harmful chemicals associated with conventional plastic. Low carbon production. Much less greenhouse gas emissions. Core plastic packaging will decompose within 2 months or built in a high humidity composting environment at a temperature of about 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit.